How to request the test for COVID-19 disease in Slovakia. You can book an appointment for COVID-19 test on the official website corona.gov.sk. Some useful information is as well available in English language. Please click on Request a test. Mandatory tests for COVID-19 disease, including testing upon arrival from risky countries, are free of charge. If you are a self-pay patient, or you need the result of this test for your travel abroad, don't follow these instructions and contact instead private laboratories for COVID-19 test. In the first step, click on the button I am interested in COVID-19 test. The rest of the procedure is available only in Slovak. Please choose if you want an antigen test or you need to have a mandatory PCR test. This tutorial explains how to request a PCR test. In the first column, type your name, then your surname, and then the identification number that you can find on your residence card. If you have a new type of the residence card, it is on the back side of the card. If you have the older type, you can find the number here. Please type the day, month and year of your birth. Choose your sex and nationality. Fill your mobile phone number, email address, and select your health insurance. If you have your health insurance in another EU country, or if you don't have any Slovak insurance, choose one of these options. If another person beside you shall be contacted in case of need, please fill the details of this person. Otherwise, leave this part empty. Please fill the details of your permanent residence. Select if you are currently staying in this address. And select if you are the person who requests the test. If you are filling this form for someone else, fill in his details. Please select if you have any of following symptoms. If you have been in contact with a person who has tested positive for COVID-19, please type the name of the person, date of the last contact, duration, and the distance between you. Fill some details of the place of your stay. How many persons are with you in the same household? How many rooms do you have there? When your quarantine has started, when it should end, and as well what the reason of your quarantine. Further, select if you are a Slovak citizen, foreigner, or other of the following options as applicable for your case. You can type other relevant information in this column and names of medications you are taking below. Please write name of your GP and the email of your GP if you have some. Please click that you agree with the processing of your personal data, and that you agree with this procedure. As a last step, click on this button. A patient scheduled for testing via the electronic request form will be informed of the result over the phone or by a text message. No written, paper confirmations are issued.